is a 10mm socket. The first step is to locate where the bulb is. There are two bolts that hold the taillight housing in. We are going to use a 10mm socket to remove the bolts. Once you have the bolts removed, you're going to want to pull and slide the tail light out. Flip it to show the connected bulbs. The brake light is the white connector. Twist it counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Now pull the old bulb out. Install your new ALA LED back into the connector. Now reinsert it into the housing and twist it clockwise to lock the connector. Let's reinstall the tail light back onto the chassis. Nice. Look at that brightness compared to the old bulb. ALA LEDs are 3 to 5 times brighter than the old stock bulb, giving you better brightness during the day and night. Reinstall the two bolts back into the tail light housing and then you are done with the installation. It modernizes your car and gives it a crisp look that only ALA LEDs provide. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you again.